Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of luxury jewelry, watches, and accessories. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Bulgari, 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 Bulgari. Bulgari is celebrated for its iconic pieces, from jewelry to luxury watches, fragrances, and accessories that reflect its unique blend of classic and modern aesthetics. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Bulgari, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.